some momos. They have non-veg also. It's made like chicken. And what else non-veg? This is also non-veg.
Yes, I'm also here. Say hi. Do you have a stall?
I'm
No?
here for today. I'm
Hey,
You're from Uzbekistan. Okay. Nice. Okay, guys, can you tell me the best dish from Uzbekistan? Which one is the best?
this is very popular.
Okay, this is the best. How is it made?
It's from rice, carrot.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. And how much is that gonna cost today?
I don't know.
Okay, save this one for me, please. All right. Hi, right. These guys apparently are from America. So what do you have here?
Oh, I don't know.
Serious?
I'm from Sri Lanka, he's from Thailand.
Okay. So you are just, oh nice, cool, cool. I'm gonna come back to try something here. What are the prices?
Sorry.
You don't know. Okay, I hope it's not that expensive though.
Only in USD, you know.
Yeah. Turkmenistan. Oh. Wow. Hey, can you tell me the best dish that you have? This one, samosa? Okay. Is it non-veg? Oh, delicious. Okay. There is nothing yet from Sudan. Why you guys are late?
No, like this problem in English, they just face some
Seriously?
This is my country.
You are supposed to be from US, right? Okay, now can you tell me what is the best dish that you have here?
Okay, would you like to eat non-veg or veg?
Non-veg.
Non-veg.
Yeah.
So you can try this. This is prawn level. It is
Okay.
like top spicy.
Please keep that for me.
This is chicken devil.
Okay.
This is made of dry fish. It's kind of chutney, but not in chutney consistency.
meat
Dry chutney.
Yeah.
Kind of. And yeah, you can try this omelette. It's made of full of cheese
Oh.
and egg. And if you want to eat sweet items,
Uh-huh.
you can try this.
Okay.
It's made of egg and coconut.
Wow.
So you can try this as well. It is also made of egg and flour.
Right. I think I'm gonna finish all my money here. I'm gonna finish all my money here. Hello. What do you have? Okay. Oh my God, where is he? Yeah.
Hi guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, I think I want this. What is the name of this one?
Musaga.
Okay. It looks delicious.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Is it?
Yeah,
Is it?
Yeah, you try it.
Okay, I'll try it later. Hey, Mr. President, why are you running? Say hi to the people.
Hi, people. People. Hi, my people.
Look here. Hey, let me just. Okay, where is this from?
South Sudan.
South Sudan. All right. Hello. Okay. Excuse me, how many meat pies do you have? Okay, because I had a flatmate from Nigeria and she would make me this all the time, so I want to try this today. I love meat pie.
Our stocks are done.
Say it again.
We have so much customers. Our stocks are over.
Oh my God, can you please keep one for me?
Sure, we try.
Okay, I just want one meat pie, okay?
You have to pay though.
I'm gonna pay.
Okay.
How much are you gonna charge me?
60 rupees, right? 60 rupees. Discount sales.
Just 60 rupees.
Discount sales.
Okay, I'm gonna pay for that, no issues. Yeah. Hi, what do you have from Nepal?
I would like to have the simple laddu afterwards. Oh yeah, sure. We have to go there to state them or they will still come. Come here and you.
Hey, listen. I want this, okay? Keep it for me. Yeah? I'll be back. I'll be back. Bye. Hello. Can you tell me what is here in your Kenyan stall?
Okay. Here we have kiberi,
Uh-huh.
mixture of corn, beans, and Irish potato.
Oh, yummy.
Yes. Then we have kachumbari, tomatoes, onions, capsicum, and lemon.
Uh-huh.
Then we have kuku kienyeji,
Okay, can we
which
see?
is chicken.
Wow.
And then we have here ukimo.
Yum, yum.
And then we also have vegetables, suma.
Oh, okay.
And finally we have ugali.
I want ugali. I want ugali.
Give us that when you cook.
Really?
But you guys, she said only ugali. She didn't want anything else.
Hello. I am sorry. Catherine is on the way with the plate.
Hey, how are you?
Say subscribe to the channel. And like. Okay, can I have something from here? You are gonna pay for that. You are gonna pay for that, right? Yes, sure. Oh wow. What can I, how much can I pay for the entire chicken? Like if I want the whole chicken for me.
This chicken not for sale.
Really?
Yes.
Hello. So what do you have here?
This is chips mayai.
Uh-huh.
This is veg. Oh, especially
Your rice looks amazing. Who cooked it? Was it you? It had to be magnificent. It had to be her. Yeah, hi.
Yes, Botswana store.
Okay, so what do you have from Botswana?
This is veg, jelly with custard.
Okay.
This is cucumber and legs, brown mountain goats.
Yeah.
And then we have muddy seeds, and then pounded seeds. Also muddy. Then we have chakalaka.
Chakalaka. What is chakalaka?
Combination of vegetables.
Hello.
And then we have suji
Okay.
combined with
What are you doing here? Did you even cook? Did you even cook?
I'm a salesman.
Okay, sell it to me.
Enjoy the dessert.
Uh-huh.
It's a delicacy that consists of fruits.
Yeah.
There's some custard and jelly.
Okay.
And a topping of biscuits.
Oh,
We codename it sweets.
okay.
Because it's going to give you some energy. Basically, it's an energy boost. So bring some money.
How much?
100 rupees.
100
And you
rupees.
get a whole dish. It's gonna give you.
Oh, 100.
Yeah, it's gonna give you an energy flash.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So after this, so we have catered for both non-veg and veg.
Uh-huh.
So you can enjoy chakalaka as a veg.
Okay.
Then of course you can enjoy the delicacy of a mutton, the pounded meat mutton.
Okay. All right. Hello. What do you have here?
We have rice, we have chicken, we have yogurt, we have sweet dish, we have salad.
Oh, nice. I'm good. How are you? This looks delicious. How much is the chicken?
70.
Okay, I'm gonna come back for the chicken, all right? Okay, can you tell me what you have?
Talk about what?
Huh?
I'm tired of talking.
You are tired of talking?
I've been explaining since.
You know, this time you are explaining it to the world.
Oh, this time.
Yes, this time.
Okay, you need me to explain everything.
Yes, yes.
So this is Afghani burger
Okay.
made of potato fries
Uh-huh.
and Afghani roti. It's veg. Pura.
Okay.
And this is dessert.
Okay.
Yeah, sweets. Infinity. It's called infinity. This is with samosa. And this is chicken
Kabuli.
Yeah. And that is molani.
Okay.
That's one.
Can I have samosa, please? Have you started selling? Have you started selling? How much is this? And this? Okay, give me one of these, one of this.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, viewers of Brand Phoenix. We welcome you to the Kenya Stock Food Festival. Here we have githeri. It's a mixture of corn and beans. We have mokimo. It's a mixture of potatoes, corn, and palak. You can add meat also. This is chicken. This is kale. It's called sukuma wiki in Kenya. This is ugali, or it's called in India it's called suji or rawa. And this is our travel. Thank you so much for coming to us.